Hey guys. Okay, so first things first, wear clothes that you don't mind getting bleach on because you will get these clothes bleached badly. Well, not badly, but I did pretty bad. Anyways, then you just brush out all your knots so you can run the color through evenly. And right here, I'm just showing you how bad my roots are basically. All the black is my natural hair. And then just clip your hair into 4 different sections, 2 in the back and 2 in the front. And it doesn't have to be perfect because you can't really see the back, but then I just take this bleach with 30 developer and a bowl, and I mix it up and get one of those brushes from Sally's. The color I got from Sally's too as well. But yeah, I just start by the first section. I always start in the front just so it can lighten the most. And I just go around in a square just to get all of the like the perimeter of my hair first, and then I'm gonna go in and section each individual slice. So yeah, I just clip that section out of the way, and then I just basically repeat the process on all 4 of the sections. I'm not going to show you this side because it's really hard to film that side, but I'm going to try to show you how I do the back. It doesn't have to be perfect. Mine was definitely not, but don't forget to do the perimeter first because that's like what you see when your hair moves naturally. So right now I'm showing you the finished product of doing just the root touch-up. This is what it should look like while you wait. I start out with 20 minutes, then I kind of check to see how light it gets, and I ended up doing more like 30 minutes for this to get it this light on my hair. Now moving on to the going lighter part of the video. You need foils, you need more bleach, same way you did it the first time, and gloves for sure. So this time I'm going to start in the back because my back is darker than the front. I have like some money pieces in the front that I've already lightened, so I don't want them to be too light and, you know, start to break off or anything. So I start in the back where my hair is can take more of the bleach. And I just take the foil. There'll be like a better, I'll show you a better view. There you go. So yeah, I just go in with the, I weave in and out with the comb, and then I just bleach the top. I don't really go all the way down to the ends because my ends, like I said, are already lightened. So I just do the pretty much the root, like I concentrate the bleach on the root and a little bit on the midsection. Don't be nervous or scared if you know, when you first bleach your hair that you get that orange color. 9 times out of 10, I don't know anybody who doesn't turn orange or red or yellow. And just not a cute color when you just straight bleach it. That's what toner is for, and that's what depositing color is for. So you lighten it just so you can deposit a lighter color on top without it being like black again. So basically, don't worry about it. We're gonna fix it with toner. This is what your hair should look like after you finish all 4 sections with the highlights. This is what it's supposed to process. This is when it's supposed to process. I just kept checking the foils to see, maybe about 10 minutes after I finished, I checked them to see how light they were. Now it's time to tone. This is my favorite part because this is how everything starts to come together and you can really see what it's supposed to look like. So I use 4A on my root. You can use whatever color you want, but 4A is, I want my roots to be darker but not black like how they were. Maybe just like a 4A just stands for the level 4 and A stands for ash. I don't really like the red or the warmth in my hair, so I do want to make it more of an ashy look. That's why I used 4A. So here I'm using the exact same color 4A after I rinsed the first set of toning out. It wasn't dark enough for me, so I just decided to go in one more time, and also I wanted to melt it with the other toner that I used, which I forget what exact toner I used. I want to say it was T8. I'll leave it down below, but that's what I used to tone the rest of my hair. Just the highlights and dimension that I had put in my hair in the beginning of the video. So this right here is the second toner. It's not dark at all. It's more on the brighter side. That's why it's like a 8 or 9. So the level, it stays like a bright level, but it's just more ashy. So this is my final results for my hair. As you can tell, the top is darker, but it's not dark. It's not like my natural black color. It just matches more with the light color of the rest of my hair, and you can see all the dimension in it from the highlights. So yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it, and thank you so much for watching.